For Lise, I'm going to turn this restaurant into Garrick's.
I'm going to get a job at Garrick's.
My first customer. Hi Mike, how may I help you?
Hi Garrick, I would like to get a job.
Okay.
Hi Garrick, Mike.
Hi Gavin.
Can I get a job?
Sure thing. Hi Garrick, Mike, and Gavin. Hi Brian, Jack, and Oscar. Can we get jobs? Sure thing. Here comes a customer.
Hi, can I have a job?
I am sorry, but we have no jobs left over.
You guys are so mean.
No please, we are sorry.
He won't stop chasing me.
I am sorry Tails Girl Jade.
Just stop following me.
Well, you can just kick him out.
Here is your present. MLP Fan 100, come here. That's it, I will call your parents.
Garrick, Mike,
Gavin,
Brian, Jack,
Oscar.
We can't believe you opened up the restaurant while grounded. Garrick, you are grounded, 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 grounded. Like you are grounded, 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 grounded.
Gavin, you are grounded, 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 grounded.
Brian, you are grounded, 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 grounded.
Jack, you are grounded, 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 grounded.
Oscar, you are grounded, 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 grounded.
now let's go home.